Hey guys, this is going to be some extra information and help on conditional statements. I know we recently also had an assignment where you watched an Ed puzzle video and answered some questions on these, but this is just even more explanation and more help on them. So here we have a statement. It says, I get cake if it is my birthday. Right now this is not a conditional statement because it's not written in if-then form, but we can turn it into a conditional statement. It already has an if in here, and following if is it is my birthday. So I'm going to start with that. I'm going to say if it is my birthday, and it's going to say then I get cake. So I just took this statement, which was not in conditional statement form to start with, and I turned it into a conditional statement by making it an if then. The first part of our conditional statement is called the hypothesis, and a lot of times you see this referred to as P. And it's all the stuff that comes after the if. So in this case, it is my birthday. So our hypothesis is it is my birthday. Okay? And then the second half of the if then statement is called the conclusion. In this case, it's everything that comes after then. So it's I get cake. And sometimes we refer to our conclusion as Q. So it's P and Q. I get cake. So if it is my birthday, I get cake. So our hypothesis is it is my birthday, and the conclusion is I get cake. All right, a lot of times we take these conditional statements and we manipulate them, or we turn them into other forms. So the first form that we have is the converse. The converse of a conditional statement is where you take the hypothesis and the conclusion and you switch them. So for the conditional statement up here, we said if P, then Q. But for the converse, we're going to say if Q, then P. We're going to switch the hypothesis and the conclusion. So in our case, instead of if it is my birthday, then I get cake, we'll say if I get cake, then it is my birthday. And remember, these statements don't necessarily have to be true. Okay? So that's the converse. You just switch the hypothesis and the conclusion. All right, another variation on a conditional statement is the inverse. For the inverse, you negate the hypothesis and conclusion. That's where you put a not in them. And to show that, we use this little squiggly symbol. So we say if not P, then not Q. So for our birthday cake example, remember our original statement was if it is my birthday, then I get cake. So we're just going to put nots in there. We're going to say if it is not my birthday, then I do not get cake. So it's very similar to our original conditional statement. We just put a not in the hypothesis and the conclusion. And then finally, we have the contrapositive. And for the contrapositive, what we do is we negate them and switch them. So we say, if not Q, then not P. So notice I switched them and I put the nots in there. So remember, our original statement was, if it is my birthday, then I get cake. So I need to switch them and put nots in there. So I'm going to say, if I do not get cake, then it is not my birthday. Okay, so feel free to watch this video as many times as you need to. Feel free to take notes on this if you need to. If you're a note-taking type of person, writing this down one time might help you remember as you do other assignments. Okay, also if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Email me if you need help, guys. Thanks, bye.